Farmers led by Bharati Kisan Sangh protested across Madhya Pradesh on Monday. Tractor rallies took place and group reached district headquarters, handing over memorandum addressed to the Prime Minister and Chief Minister. They demanded solution to farm-related issues and criticized state policies. In Bhopal, Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav said the government is ready for talks and open dialogue. Farmers warned that if their demands are ignored, protests will intensify in coming days. The demonstrations reflect growing frustration over crop prices, fertilizers and other agricultural concerns as farmers call for immediate government action. A day before Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit, over 80 posters were torn in Dhar districts. The damaged posters carried pictures of PM Modi and CM Mohan Yadav along the Badnavar-Bhansola road. The incident, reported Sunday night, is seen as an attempt to create disturbance before Modi's visit on September 17 for the Mega Mitra Textile Park Foundation ceremony. Police have launched an investigation and are searching for those responsible. Officials say the vandalism shows political tension rising in the area. Security arrangements have been tightened ahead of the event. On Engineers Day, Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav announced a new Engineer Training and Research Institute in Madhya Pradesh. The institute, said to be a center for modern training, aims to help young engineers develop advanced skills. Speaking at the Kushabhau Thakre International Convention Center, the CM called engineers creators and pioneers of progress. The institute will prepare students to meet global challenges and enhance technical education and research in the state. Officials say this initiative will support innovation and provide better opportunities for engineering graduates across the region. In Jabalpur, Computer Baba staggered unusual protest on Monday to demand better protection for cows. He and a group of followers beat drums and went from shop to crossroad asking for allowance to support a cow protection march. Baba claimed that cows are in poor condition and the government has failed to care for them. His demonstration attracted attention from locals, many surprised by this unconventional form of protest. Supporters joined him, donating money and food, while police monitored the event to ensure peace. The support highlights growing concern over animal welfare. In Indore, Lokayukt police caught Sub-Inspector Dharmendra Rajput red-handed while accepting a bribe of 1 lakh rupees. The officer allegedly demanded money to provide a clean chit in a murder case. A trap was set on Monday after a complaint and the officer was caught near a shop outside the police station. Officials say he accepted the cash before being arrested. The Lokayukt team has taken him into custody and launched an investigation. The case has raised concern about corruption in the police department and calls for stricter enforcement. A clash over fertilizer distribution in Morena turned violent on Monday morning. Crowds gathered at the center and soon split into two groups, attacking each other with sticks. 3 farmers were injured and 1 was admitted to the district hospital. The chaotic scene was captured in viral videos. Farmers blamed mismanagement and delay in fertilizer supply for the fight. Police arrived and controlled the situation, but questions remain about how distribution is handled. Authorities have promised to review procedures to avoid such incidents and ensure fair access to essential supplies. In Mandsaur, a young couple in a live-in relationship died by suicide on Monday. Arun Meghwal, 23, from Mundri village and Pavitra Chauhan, 21, from Neemach district, consumed pesticides at Piplia Mandi. Both families reportedly disapprove of their relationship. They were rushed to the district hospital but died on the way. The tragic incident has shocked the community and raised concern about social pressure and mental health support. Villagers gathered in grief while police are investigating the circumstances that led to the couple's fatal decision. In a bizarre protest in Katni, Congress workers handed their memorandum to a dog after police stopped them for raising slogans. After over-restriction, the workers tied the letter to the animal and read out their demands. Congress IT Cell State Secretary Raghavendra Singh claimed government officials serve BJP interests, not the public. The unusual protest left locals surprised and the video quickly went viral on social media. Police are reviewing the incident but have not filed charges. The protest highlights frustration with administrative restrictions and has drawn widespread attention. Heavy rain hit several districts of Madhya Pradesh on Monday. Bhopal saw sunshine in the morning, but by evening, strong showers stretched the city. Indore, Gwalior, and other areas also received rainfall linked to low pressure activity. Officials predict more heavy rain in the coming days, with the monsoon expected to withdraw next week. Farmers welcome the timely showers, hoping for better crop growth. Authorities have asked residents to stay cautious as flooding and waterlogging could pose risk in low-lying areas. The rains come at a crucial time for agriculture before the harvest season.